Hello again. Here's another snowflake project. I think what we're going to do is take a coffee filter. Well, I didn't have a coffee filter shaped like a circle, so I cut this out of a paper towel or napkin. I think paper towel is better because it's going to hold up to what we have to do to it. I'm going to fold it in half, and then you're going to fold it in thirds. So you're not going to fold it down the middle like that. You're going to move it over a little bit more like a pizza, and then this one's going to go on top of it like that. Okay, so this is going to give us a 6-pointed snowflake. I'm going to take my scissors and maybe I'll cut out something from the middle, and you just keep snipping little shapes. I got a triangle off of that side. Okay, and just remember, don't cut all the way through. You see how I got that? Put it over here so you can see against my shirt, because it's white. If I show it against the wall, it's hard to see, but here you can see I'm cutting little notches, little shapes, maybe triangles, into these folded sides like that. Maybe you can cut a little bit off the edge, but you have to be careful that you don't cut all the way through. So now you can see I cut the point, I cut little notches on each side, and now I'm going to open it up. Unfold all those things, and there is your snowflake. Now the fun part is to paint it. I'm going to put a piece of paper down so that it will soak it up, and you could use your watercolors, and we'll just paint and watch how this filter paper or I use my paper towel. See how that soaks it up really great. Just put a couple drops on like that. You could, oh, it's snowing again, oh my goodness. You could also take your markers and put those on. You could draw some colors. Maybe I'll use green and orange. And then we'll get it wet and see what happens. So you could take your markers and make some dots or draw some lines. And that's my orange. Here's some green. Okay. And then you could take a different brush that you didn't use for your watercolor, and you could touch those markers and see what happens. Ooh, and that works too. I'll use my bigger brush. And it really makes it soak through. If you have dots, those dot things, you could do that. And as you get it wet, it really is going to look beautiful. And it'll blend in with all the colors. So this is going to be our snowflake project, and that will be beautiful. Do I have another one? I'm not sure I have another one right here, but we have a lot of reading pages with some snow things. We're going to do some mittens. I know in the threes we did right and left, and we put our handprints on the mittens. That might be a little too babyish for you, Christopher, but I do want you to remember which is your right side and which is your left side, and we'll take a look at your winter hat and we'll see what you look like, and I'll show you mine. All right, so I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.